In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix API MS Win CRT Math L110 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser and simply search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter. Click on it on the first match. Scroll down and then you have to look for the version of your Windows. So simply type system info in the Windows search bar and then take note of your system type. Download the link corresponding to your system type and then click on the folder icon. Right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click, select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Double click. Scroll down to the System32 folder. So here, if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. And if you are a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW64. So I am 64 bits, so I'm going to System32. Right click and then select paste. Click on continue. Once done, close the windows and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. And then open the browser again. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the link corresponding to your system type and then simply install the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.